Hi, my name is Alan Laverdier. I am from South America. We run all the area with Gyeon. We already have like a year. We have been invited to this conference, the World Conference of the first one of Gyeon, made here in Germany.
As the first conference of Gyeon Distributors, it's a fabulous sort of occasion, represented by obviously 35, 40 different countries. We're all doing the same type of thing in different markets, but the ideas that are being shared are creating real value.
We're all here together. People traveled from all over the planet to be here, and it was very a mutual contribution to the event. It wasn't one-sided. People were very open. They weren't afraid to express things they wanted to have worked on and ways they could contribute. So I really appreciated the openness of the group and felt like I got a lot of value hearing multiple perspectives of things we encounter in our day-to-day business.
It's a very beneficial conference. I think the fact that you're learning from your peers, from your fellow distributors about the nature in which their businesses operate, it's a learning experience for you to take back and apply some of the learnings from your colleagues, from your distributors around the world, and stuff that you can apply in your own business, which will be beneficial to you in the long run.
I love the products, I love the brand, I love the people that work for the brand, I love the other distributors. I love everybody that has to do with Gyeon.
So the branding is amazing with all the colors, nice bottles, and it's really thought out very well.
Anytime, anywhere around the world, from China to Middle East to South America, the customer goes there and he sees a bottle, the way it's designed, everything. The people that design the bottles, the chemical guys that they produce it, production, president, marketing, everything got all together to this brand Gyeon. Just check it out, our products, and you'll see the best image that we can give you right now.